any person. My craziest flight of fancy is a place where all Disney characters were alive. Imagine Mickey Mouse beside me. I'd go in his clubhouse and solve few mysteries. I would fly on Aladdin's carpet and visit whole world. The genie would fulfill my 3 magical wishes. What it would be? Just leave that aside. I would be the same ship where Peter Pan is. I would fly with him. The small fairy Tinker Bell will make me fly. How it would feel being in a huge castle of Prince Charming. I would meet Cinderella and his cute animal friends, and especially that small mice. Winnie the Pooh. I would play with him. I would eat with him. I love his cute small friends. What it would be? I would visit Minnie the Mouse and his pudding. I would use crazy invention of Dr. D in Mickey Mouse. I would speak crazy language with Donald the Duck. Or act crazy with Goofy. How it would feel being with the tiger of Prince Jasmine. Or how it would feel being in the underwater with Ariel and his Frank Growly and with Sebastian. How awesome it would be. I just can't imagine. Thank you.
Thank you, Karthikeya. Hand it over to Harship. Okay, next we have Harship from Unity House. And Harship, your time starts. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. Now pay attention. Harship, your time starts now.
Hello everyone, my name is Harshiv Gajjar and today I will tell you about my flight of fancy. Flights, when combined with fancy, gives us the power to do everything. It gives birth to something unique and something very something very unique. My fancies are sports and instruments. I want to fly over the world as a bird in the air and walk on the clouds. I still remember that day when I went to the school first time. I felt nervous, but at the same time, I was excited to know about the world. I was very excited and wanted to learn about how the world works. I hope that my fancies take a flight soon. I want to fly over the world and see how the world works and how the people of the world use their power. My flights will take my fancies will take flight soon, I hope, and that's the reason that my fancies are not so big.
Thank you, Harship. Next we have Rishabh. Rishabh is representing in Tech House. Rishabh, your time starts now. All the best.
Good morning to all. My name is Rishabh and I am going to deliver a speech on my flights of fancies. Mahatma Gandhi ji once said, I will work for an India in which the poorest shall feel it is their country. An India in which there will be no higher class and no low class of people. An India in which the women will enjoy the same rights as men. And an India in which the communities will live in perfect harmony. Like Gandhiji, I also dream to make an India where there is no injustice, inequality and poverty. and there will be only improved and good quality of life. We all want India to become a respected superpower in the world. Despite of many invasions and exploitations, India has made progress since the independence, but it is still far behind from the other countries in the world. My flight of fancy is to the India, which is a peaceful, progressive and a literate country where every citizen feels safe and secure, and women are treated with respect and dignity. I dream India to be at the apex in science and technology, and this dream has already found wings from the Mars orbiter mission. We should all be mobilized and for the Indian youth and the development of the India of dreams. So let's board this flight of fancy and dream as much as we can. Because if we will not dream, we will not achieve. Dream, dream, dream. Dream transforms into thoughts and thoughts result in actions. Thank you.
Thank you. Second last contestant is Jia. Dia from Unity House. All the best, Dia. Starts now.
Hello friends, I am Dia and today in the topic Flights of Fancy, I am going to speak about my ambition in life. Everyone must have an ambition in life and would know what career he or she likes to make and work hard to achieve it. When I was small, I wanted to become a doctor. Days passed, I wanted to become an astronaut, then a scientist, then an engineer. Oh, I was confused. After college, if I am interested to become a doctor, I will open up a clinic in the village, as villagers have lack of medical facilities. I will not take money from whom, which cannot pay my fees and which are poor. And if I get an opportunity to become an astronaut, I would discover all the planets, and I would also fulfill my dream to see space. And I have heard scientists speak that there is life on Mars. I would discover Mars and then invite my family to a holiday trip to Mars. And if I were a scientist, I would change the world with my experiments. I would make them some experiments like food fall or recycling sneakers. Please, but don't be scared of me. I will not be a crazy scientist. I feel that I should become an engineer, as when I was small, I would make blocks, but my elder sister would break them. So now I'll show her that I can make big buildings, and now I'll see how she breaks them. So, you see, I'm so confused in choosing my ambition in life. So, but for now, my ambition is to become a good daughter, a good sister, and above all, a good human being. Thank you.
Okay, great. The last participant for the first round is Ashvi from Dignity House. Okay, Ashvi, are you ready? Shall we start? Your time starts now.
Hello to all my friends. I'm Ashish. I'm here to tell you about my dream. A world without pollution is my dream. Is it impossible to keep the world clean? Isn't there a right to reduce the pollution? How can we live on an earth which is full of dirt and pollution? How irresponsible we humans are to destroy the nature. How can we harm the environment? Who are we to destroy the shelter of the million of species that live together with us? Don't forget, we are only the one species who is responsible for destroying the nature. What is the fault of the other living creatures? Why are we knocking down their lives? To some people, pollution is just a simple word, which means destroying the world. But to some people, stopping pollution is a part of their characters. maybe the earth will have so much of pollution that the oxygen will go bad and humans will have to live on Mars. Who knows? Instead of guessing, let's do something real about it. It is our responsibility to bring the nature back what it was. The world is a place where we live, a place where we breathe. It is our right and our responsibility to keep it clean. It is a challenge for us to bring it back what it was. Today, I give a challenge to all of you to get out of your comfort zones and bring the earth back what it was and give a new shape, give a new life to the earth. Together, we can rise up to the challenge and stop the pollution. This is my dream, but together our tiny steps will make it come true. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. We are done with the first round, and the second round is making a commercial round. So shall we start from Ashvi? Yes. Okay. So pick one, Ashvi, and then they will give you 1 minute. Okay. And you can come up with a 10 to 20-second commercial. It can be as funny, as hilarious, as informative. Okay. But make sure it is persuasive enough. So we should be willing to buy it. Your friends should tell you that, yes, I want to buy this product. Okay? So pick one, only one. What is it? Okay, earbuds. She has to set. Here is your earbuds. Okay, your thinking time starts now.
My product is earbuds. Earbuds, a very important thing for your life. It helps you keep your ears clean. Just imagine if your ear was full of dirt, your all friends would be stay away from you. Will you accept that? Obviously not. You would like to socialize with your friends, but you won't enjoy coming to school. Earbuds, a very important thing. It doesn't hurt you while you use it for your ears. It will help you keep your ears clean. Thank you.
Thank you. See, this is not a speech, it's a commercial, okay? You can be as creative as you can. So make sure it looks like, sounds like a commercial. Have you seen commercials on TV? Ad देखा है TV पे? Have you seen? It can be for 10 to 20 seconds, okay? Okay. So your product. Okay, mosquito repellent. Go and pick your product. You can take influence from any of the ads that you have seen, okay? And your time starts now. Stop shouting, let her think. Okay, you can think of creative ways of usage of the product. So if it is a mosquito repellent, it is used for one purpose. It can be used for any other purpose. You can think of anything. So you can be as creative, as funny as you can. Okay, and this information is for rest 88 of you. I might ask any one of you to come here and present, and I will give you any commercial, any topic, okay? So please think. Don't waste your time in talking to your friends. Okay, your time starts now.
Hello, this is my product, Mortein, and it can also you can be saved from mosquitoes and creepy crawlies like lizards and all. I feel dirty. And I have a crazy trick. You can also trick it on your friends. You can put some mosquitoes or some creepy crawlies on his or her table, and then you can put this Mortein, and you can also show how much power you have. And this is not so expensive. This is only 100 rupees, and you can buy it easily. And okay, so just bye-bye for now.
Do you want to know what Rishabh has to sell?
Yes.
Okay, Rishabh, please pick one. Okay. Rishabh has to sell diapers. Rishabh, your time starts now. Give me one if you are listening. Give me two if you are listening. Close your eyes for 1 minute. You also think. Okay, Rishabh. Okay, Rishabh.
This is a famous diaper in the whole world. It is extra stretchable. Also, you can wear it. Whenever you will wear it, you will automatically sleep. No noise, nothing.
Okay. Harshiv has got weight reduction tablets. Okay, you can go outside and think and come back in 1 minute.
Hello everyone. Hello. Please do not pass any personal comments now. And maintain silence.
Okay, can I have one person?
Ma'am!
Yes, Mufaddal, please come here. The one that has been done, so you can choose any of the products. Okay. Okay, Mufaddal, start.
Do you know what it is? This is Mortein. You can kill all of your birds at your home with this powerful thing. Push karo, khush raho. Good night advance Mortein. Only rest 5. Thank you.
So, Mufaddal, that was not original. That was copied from one of the ads, okay? Only if you have an original idea, come here. Harshiv, your time starts now.
Are you so fat that people tease you? So now technology has made a solution for it. Weight reduction tablets, which will reduce your fat and make you thin. Now people will not tease you, and it is not so expensive. Only 25 rupees. And right now it has an offer. Buy one get one free. Only valid for some time. Go and get it right now. Thank you.
Okay, you have a customer, Harshiv. I am the first customer. Thank you. Okay, next, Kartikeya. Okay, hi. Kartikeya's product is you can go outside and Focus. Tilak, come here. Yes. You have to sell the weight reduction tablets now. Come. Tilak, where are you?
Why don't you pull your chair? I mean, come here. Come this way. Come here. What's your name? Darshit, would you mind just coming here, please?
Okay. Kartikeya, please start.
Yeah. Is yellow your favorite color? Then this toothpaste is made for you. If your toothpaste are white, then brush from this toothpaste. It will turn your teeth yellow and it will be your favorite color. Thank you.
Okay, next we have Yashashri. You brought up this watch. It's a watch. Okay, can I have Kavish here? Kavish, come and sell a toothbrush. Kavish. Can I have your attention, please? Contestants, you also behave. Please stop talking. Yes, Kavish. Come on.
Hello friends, this is my toothpaste. Now I will tell. This is a toothbrush. You can switch the button and it will automatically start. Your teeth will be white like diamonds.